Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you the unboxing and setup of Airtag. Recently I bought the Airtag for myself. This is how the packaging looks. The price mentioned on the box is 3190, but you can get it under 3000 from different stores. I bought it for approximately 2800 online. Let's open this Airtag from the box. On opening the box you will get the Airtag in this white pouch, and you will have booklets on how to use this Airtag. Let's open this, and here is a Airtag. Let's remove the Airtag. Here you can see that there is a cover on the Airtag. Let's remove the cover, and you need to remove it like this, and you will get a sound once you remove the cover. And here is a stainless steel at the top with the Apple logo and some specifications, and it is assembled in China, and at the back it is white. If you want to open the Airtag, you can do that. You can simply rotate like this, and here you can remove the cap, and here is a battery. Let's keep the battery again. To set up the Airtag you need a iPhone 11 or higher end phone, and once you take the Airtag near to your iPhone, it will show you connect. Click on connect and select for what you want to use. I would like to use in the backpack. Click on continue, and it will show your Apple ID. This Airtag will be linked to your Apple ID. Click on agree. Once you set up this Airtag with your Apple ID, other people cannot use this Airtag. Here you can see that Nampally's backpack. Click on done. If you want to check the location of this Airtag, you need to use the Find My app on your iPhone. Here is the app. Here you can see that it is showing the location. Since it is nearby, I am going to play the sound. Click on play sound on your phone. And if you want to know the exact location, you can simply use Find By option. Here you can see that since the Airtag is nearby, it is showing here. Click on close, or you can play the sound. And if you have lost this Airtag, you can find that when you swipe up on the Find My app, you will have lost mode. Click on enable, and it will show your Apple ID. Click on continue, and you need to enter your mobile number. I am entering some random number, and after that click on next. If somebody finds your Airtag, they will be shown this message: your mobile number, this item has been lost, please call. Click on activate. Since I am activating the last mode, now if any iPhone or any Android phone with NFC comes nearby, it will give them a message. I will show you. Here is my Android phone. It has NFC. If I take the Airtag near it, it will not detect the Airtag immediately. We need to open the settings, and we need to enable the NFC. Here you can see that I am enabling the NFC. And once you enable the NFC, take the Airtag near it. Here you can see that it will open a browser, and it will show you the message: this item has been lost, please call so and so number. So that's it guys. In this way you can set up the Airtag with your iPhone, and you can track. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.